Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hello, my name is Jivna and welcome to this channel called Glam Heroes where I make videos on hairstyles. If you're into this kind of videos, please do support me and subscribe to my channel. So today's video is about hairstyles for college going girls and office going girls. I promise this hairstyle is going to be really very easy and quick that you can do in 2 minutes. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. For the first hairstyle, part your hair in the middle and then part your front section like this on both the sides. And then separate a small section and do a regular 3-stranded braid all through to the end of the section. As I got to the end, I'm gonna backcomb the end instead of securing with the rubber band. Now with the remaining front section, start doing a regular 3-stranded braid. And then backcomb the ends. Repeat the same on the other side. As you're done on your other side as well, take all your hair into a ponytail along with the braids like this. And then tie it with a rubber band. And that's it guys, we are done with the first hairstyle. Very simple, right? Coming to the second hairstyle, take a poof like so, tie it with a rubber band. Now take hair from both the sides like this. And then tie it with a rubber band along with the first teeny tiny ponytail. Just pull out some hair like this to make it into the bubble. Repeat the same till the nape of your neck. This hairstyle is really very simple and easy for the girls who don't know how to braid. I'm just gonna do it till the nape of my neck. If you would like, you can continue to do this braid by leaving a small portion of hair at the end. Now I'm gonna take a small section of hair and wrap it around the rubber band. Secure the end with a bobby pin. And that's it, we are done with the second hairstyle. Very simple yet so elegant, right? For the third hairstyle, take a middle partition and draw a diagonal line and then twist the hair inwards like this. Add hair to the twist from one side. As you have reached the mid part of your head, just secure it with a pin. I'm gonna repeat the same step on the other side as well. And then pinning it on the same place, and that's it guys. For the fourth hairstyle, I'm going to keep the middle part and draw a zigzag like this. And then separate it out. I'm going to continue to do it till the nape of my neck. From the right side, I'm gonna take a small section and twist it like this by adding hair to the twist, and then again twisting it inwards and add hair to the twist again, twisting it inwards and then add hair to the twist again and then twisting it inwards. I'm gonna repeat the same steps until the nape of my neck. Right here, I'm gonna secure it with a pin. I'm gonna repeat the same steps on the other side, twisting it inwards, adding hair to the twist. I'm gonna remove the pin and secure it with a rubber band, making it into a low ponytail. I'm gonna adjust my braid, that is, pull the two twists together and pin it like this. Pin it inwards so they cannot be seen. That's it for the fourth hairstyle, guys. I hope you like this hairstyle. I love how it turned out. For the fifth and final hairstyle, I'm gonna take a poof and I'm just gonna do a regular French braid, but not completely till the nape of my neck. It is like half up, half down hairstyle. As I've reached the halfway, I'm going to take my right section over the middle and take a small section, add it to the braid. I'm going to take my left section over the middle and add a small section to the braid. We are going to repeat the same step again. And I'm just gonna pull the braid to make it look fuller. I'm gonna continue to do a normal regular 3-stranded braid. And then pull the braid to make it look fuller. And then tie the ends with a rubber band. And that's it for the final hairstyle, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.